Well, that's a lot going on traffic-wise. The weather is relatively calm, especially in comparison, but outside of Metro Nashville, give yourself some extra time on the way out the door in Clarksville and Hopkinsville as well to adjust for some fog that might slow down your morning commute. Let's take a look at the forewarned live radar. We'll start with the good news, and that is that the rain has moved out, and we are going to be staying dry throughout the day other than a few fog droplets collecting on your windshield. A few mixed showers up in Missouri are going to miss us off to the north. We are seeing a lot of cloud cover, though. That's going to be really tough to shake as we head through the rest of today. And lots of fog out there from Macon County. This is next to zero visibility here, less than a quarter of a mile here from Westside Elementary School on the Macon-Sumner County line. A little fog in the distance here from Smith County, but in Carthage itself, the visibilities are okay. It just kind of goes neighborhood by neighborhood. There's some fog around downtown, but visibilities are generally around a mile or so, which shouldn't cause you any significant issues. Looking out from eastern Middle Tennessee and Cookeville right now, again, some fog in the distance, but not any that's reducing visibility in this particular part of Putnam County. Temperatures are chilly. Right now, we are at 36 degrees in Nashville, so 36 in Murfreesboro. And that's 4 degrees above average, but it's damp, and that makes it feel a little bit cooler out there. No real wind chill to speak of. The winds are very light, and they're going to remain very light as we head through the rest of the day. Coldest temperatures are to the northeast of Nashville, around freezing in Franklin, Lafayette, and Burkesville, but at freezing isn't cold enough for any freezing fog to accumulate with those fog droplets on bridges and overpasses. That should be just fine. Reduced visibility is the main concern as you're heading out the door. The problem is these temperatures really aren't going to go too far. The dog walking forecast shows the temperatures are only going to be, well, barely above 40 degrees by noon, warming up to the low 40s for highs this afternoon, and then back down to around 40 degrees this evening. So Dagny's got her mittens on once again this morning. Tomorrow, the weather is going to start looking a whole lot better as a warming trend starts to kick in, not only for us, but for the whole middle of the country. Temperatures are going to be well into the 70s out to our west. We're not going to be quite that warm, but tomorrow morning I may bump that Friday forecast high temperature up to 70 degrees. We'll kind of wait and see how things shake out. Tomorrow we're going to make it to the upper 50s, and that's going to feel nice enough. Then well into the 60s both Friday and Saturday. The cloud cover that's out there right now, though, is going to stick around throughout the day, and that is going to limit how much we warm up for the daylight hours. Maybe a sprinkle or a flurry in southern Kentucky possible today, but no measurable precipitation chances, and the cloud cover will be gone tomorrow. Slight chance of a shower in the forecast on Saturday, a better chance of showers on Sunday as the next wave of cold air starts to get a little bit closer to us, and that's going to be here by the beginning of next week. It looks like another big East Coast storm system is going to develop and travel along that direction as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. The heavy snow accumulations look like they're going to stay just off to our east. It's going to be a close call, though. This is a long way off. We're talking 7 or 8 days from now. We'll keep an eye on it. In the meantime, don't let the possibility of even this making a close call to us ruin your enjoyment of the warmer temperatures that we have beginning tomorrow. We'll check out the 7-day forecast one more time coming up in just a few minutes. We will come back with that 7-day forecast after a quick break here on Channel 4 News Today.